This morning in my email box I received a approximate on-road costs for the new Toyota Landcruiser 70 series, both with the V8 and of course the much anticipated 2.8 turbo diesel auto. Those of you who have ordered one, I think you should sit down for this. I am Andrew St Pierre White, explorer, overlander and broadcaster with over 40 years driving 4x4s. Welcome to 4X Overland. I'm a prisoner of this hill. Right, straight to it. We're going to start with the V8 4.5. The cheapest one, and this is why I suggest you should sit down, is $89,823. That is the single cab workmate with the diesel engine. Close to $90,000 on-road price. For the GXL single cab, what do you get with a GXL? You get some stripes, you get electric window winders, and not a lot else. That is $94,195. Let's get on to Troop Carrier. Troop Carrier GXL, $95,899. That is an approximate $10,000 increase in the price. That's depressing to start with, because these vehicles, none of them are well equipped. These are better equipped than the previous model. Yes, they have a better audio system. The safety ratings, as far as I can see, are the same. But really, it's a nicer center console, slightly nicer, and a remote on the steering wheel, and that's about it. And of course, the new look, which you might or might not like. I have seen only one photograph of the Troop Carrier with the new front end, and I'm going to reserve my opinion about the front end because, I mean, if I look at my Troop Carrier, it's beautiful. That scoop and everything is gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. It's a great looking truck. Right, now, what you've all been waiting for is a 2.8 turbo diesel with the automatic gearbox. We'll go straight to the cheapest version, which is cheaper than the V8. It starts at $85,462. That's the approximate. Remember, this does come from Toyota, but it's the approximate on-road costs. For the cheapest version, that's the workmate single cab with the 2.8 auto. Let's have a look at the double cab GXL. $92,598. And Troop Carrier GXL, $91,533. Do you remember, with all of the pickup versions, you still have to put in on a tray, all right? And of course, you don't do that with the wagon. So let's actually have a look at the GXL wagon. That's of course 76. With the 2.8, it is $88,657. And if I look at all the prices, I think that might be the one that has increased the least of all of them. They have also told us that the order books are not officially open. You can order one, but some dealerships might actually say, no, we can't take orders yet. Same with the new V8 versions. They're about to be opened. There is some speculation on the internet at the moment that V8s are not going to be built anymore. I don't agree with that. And the reason being is because if Toyota had decided not to put out a V8, they would have said so by now. They would have said, sorry guys, but they, on their price list, have a V8 version. So those rumors that they're not going to deliver V8s anymore, well, I don't believe that is the case. But I do know, and I have heard rumors for the last 4 or 5 years, that Toyota is phasing out V8 production. So there is a good chance that the V8 will be available, but not for very long, is my personal guess. I hope you've got something from that. I'm a bit... Man, that's expensive. Because if you think about a 70 series, you're spending really now on-road costs very close to 100,000. It's not a well-equipped vehicle. Some people say, well, it's the Toyota tax. Well, what is the Toyota tax? The Toyota tax is the Toyotas hold their value very well. And they hold their value very well because of the market demand. It's not a false thing. The market demand for Toyotas is such that the quality is a good, and therefore people trust them, and therefore people will pay more for them because it's a Toyota. And if you think about the resale value of a Toyota Landcruiser 70 series with the resale value of some much more expensive vehicles, more complicated vehicles, less trusted vehicles, they hold their value better. Does Toyota put up the price because of this? I would be surprised if they didn't. But people will still flock and buy Landcruisers. I would, even though value is slowly decreasing, not going the other way. See you next time.